Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Facebook from every devices you logged into or sign out of your Facebook account on all systems. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log out from your Facebook from all of the devices on which you logged into, first open up your Facebook app on which you're currently using your Facebook account. And after opening your Facebook app, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Just below the messenger icon, tap on that three line icon like this, and you can see the settings icon appear on the top right corner of your screen. Again, tap on the settings icon, and over here you can see the profile, personal information and account under the account category, but will be required to scroll down a little bit, and there is the security and login option at security preferences. Let's tap on the security and login, and over here you can see the where you're logged in the second one, and tap on see all on the right side of that where you're logged in. And over here all of the devices or all the sessions on which you have logged into your Facebook account will be available over here. And if you want to log out of your particular device from over here, you can see the three dotted icon at the side of each and every login. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and you can see the logout option from that device. You can see the logout option on the bottom right corner of your screen. If you want to log out of just simply all of your sessions, scroll down to the bottom and you can see the logout of all sessions available over here. Tap on logout of all sessions like this, and tap on logout again, and you'll be logged out of all of the devices on which you have logged into. And then guys, this is how you log out of Facebook account on all of your sessions. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.